I'm Yumi, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Monday, the week opened with students and teachers walking with purpose back into school, excited for the fun-filled week ahead. The virtue of this week, unity. Tuesday, enthusiasm, diligence, and excellence was on display in grade 3, as their exit point for significant people was in full swing across the school. Wednesday of last week was an action-packed day for classes across Prep 1, as parents were once again welcomed back onto campus, joining us for celebration of learning. Thursday, students could be found enjoying time with friends outdoors, finally without masks. Friday marked the end of the week, at home, with a full day of home-based learning before everyone eagerly dived straight into the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.